We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.